All right, we're going to be talking about the distributive property, but we're distributing something a little different now. And it's going to look a little weird. So remember that we can think of subtracting in expressions like adding a negative. If we have a subtraction sign before parentheses, we distribute a -1 and then combine like terms. So I have 14x minus, and then they've put this in parentheses. So they want to take away this whole thing. So there's like a -1 here that we're going to distribute. So my 14x stays the same. My -1, when it got distributed, becomes a -7 minus 2. Now I'm going to combine like terms, and I get 7x minus 2. You'll more commonly see this put together, like so. These two parentheses, I have a subtraction sign between. That means I'm doing nothing to this first set of parentheses, except for getting rid of them. I then want to take and distribute that -1 so that I'm subtracting what's in the second set. You might also see people write it and take it like this. And then think to themselves 12x minus 3x. And 7 minus 2, which is the same thing that we're going to get there. So you can think of it as this distribution. You can also put it vertically with the two expressions like that. However your brain works, doesn't bother me at all, as long as it worked for you and you're getting the right answer. If there's a plus sign, sounds really weird, but I'm literally just getting rid of the parentheses and combining like terms because I'm distributing a +1, and multiplying by +1 doesn't do anything. The numbers stay exactly the same as they were. So when I combine like terms here, I get 5x minus, 16. Now we're used to seeing something like this, and they have just stuck parentheses around there. You don't even need them. But we are going to go ahead and distribute there. And then combine like terms to get our answer. Same thing here. I've got that 4x out in front. I'm remembering to write it as subtraction, not adding a negative. Got that -1 here that I'm going to distribute, and there's like a 1 there as well. So -1 times -1 is going to give me a +1x. -1 times 7 is going to give me a -7. And once again, since nothing was happening out there, I'm just bringing it down. And I get 6x minus 16. This last one, I have two separate distributive properties. In this case, I am distributing this -4. So I get -12x plus 20. And I get -18x plus 21. I'm going to combine those like terms for -30x plus 41. And that is how we distribute a negative and then combine like terms.